Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'm sure you guys heard the new iPhone is out. So for my boys, my postpaid boys, you already know how we do this, and I don't need to introduce myself. You already know what's going on and what time it is. So I'm making a order for a subscriber right now, so I'm just gonna use the opportunity to show you guys what we're doing right now. So I'm gonna place 5 phones for this subscriber of ours. He paid for this tutorial, also pay for the CC to card the phones to them, and they bring the account to us. So this is what I'm telling you guys. If you know you want to work with me, you have to be ready to pay your tools. I don't work for you if I haven't worked with you before. You understand? Don't waste your time. Okay, so if you want to work, you buy your debit card bin, or if you have a credit card, you bring it yourself. And if there's no available credit on it, I can make payment on it also for you. And with that being said, after we had our first deal, then I could actually work with you, and then you like pay me back in the end. But it's a policy. I hope you guys know, if you want to learn this and we haven't worked before, you have to pay the tutorial money. And if you don't have a credit card, it's for sale. We also have available. You can check out the previous video I did. You understand? So I have like different phones I'm doing. So right now at the moment, we have a order for a customer we're trying to do right now. We are doing 8 lines actually. You understand? We are doing 8 lines for this account. So I just have to do it one by one. It might take a little bit of time, but yeah, I'll get it done. So if you know you are interested or you want to do it yourself, there's also like a tutorial for it, which is 250, and also a video tutorial that you just follow the step the way you are doing this right now. So I'm not gonna show everything here, obviously. Why? Because of guidelines, and some are also premium version in the paid tutorial. So I'm just gonna add a few, and yeah. So the next steps to do, I'm not gonna show that because of guidelines and stuff, but you guys get the picture now. So if you know you're interested and you want to work on that, hit me up and send me a DM. I got you. If I don't reply, one of our team will get to you. Still on the same line, you feel me? So yeah. So with that being said, all the lines are being added right now. So after this, yeah, we should be able to get the rest done. So with that being said, let's get to it. So I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Peace out.